from fall to winter. And then I'm just going to flip on futures here for a second just to show people how to trade it. People have my day trading money machine on Thinkorswim. It's designed for 15 minutes. This is a little bit bigger look. And I'm going to pull it out to here. And then I'm going to go to hourly. And, you know, again, you, not hourlies. You go to, on the daily here, and then you can go to the, okay, so talking the futures here is that it's best used on the 4-hour. And you know what you're looking to here is you're looking at it, oil's in an uptrend, and so the best way to do this is just trade with the trend and scalp out. So if you get a buy signal, you take the buy signal, and then you can use V stop as your guide. And in here you would have a buy signal here, and you simply just set your V-stop as you go. Excuse me, and you would have got up 63.68 from a buy around 61.45. That's almost a good week's work for trading the futures. And then you had a buy signal here, and that would have been a good trade, and you'd have just took it all the way up to the top of the channel here, and you'd have hopped off. So that's the futures version for the short swing. So it's the 4-hour. So my recommendation is to use cryptos for hourly and ETFs for hourly, and then for the triples, I'll get to those in a second. You can use the 4-hour, and you're looking for reversals, and always short the triples. You know, you can buy them if you want, you know, but make sure you have good tight stop. And then the just to show you here too, it's just a nice trade. You would have, if you'd have been in it, you would have bought here at 288.3, and you just set your stops up, and you'd have had a nice trend move. Futures like to trend a lot, so that's that would have been a good trade for you here. And you know, if you have guts, you can, hey, I'll short a channel break and use that as my stop and roll down if you want. But go in the direction of travel. It's more profitable, and it's more like do as I say, not do as I do sometimes, because sometimes I like to try to outsmart the market and counter trend it, and you know, why fight the man, right? So, and then the last thing I'll show you on the triples, and then I'll bring up which one has been flying here. So I'll use Nugget, because I just went in there and took puts on Nugget again. And so you had a move here on Nugget, and now you got to sell, and it showed to sell here, and that's when I took the puts, and I went out on it to the 16th of, no, the 9th of February, and then it pushed up, and it came down, and then it pushed up again, and look, it's right back to where we were. And that's the thing about the triples, they start losing gas, and I'm expecting this trade to drive down, and to make profit on it. So short the triples, go 4 hours, and you're in good shape. So that's this short swinger. It'll get you on the right side of the trade most of the time, and you should make good profit from it. And like I said, if you want it, you just can sign up. We have a winter special running right now, and if you sign up for any of the winter specials, we'll throw the software in this month. And it's not on the thing, but it's a offer that we're putting out here for those listening to the video. So anyway, thanks for listening. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.